Hello everyone. So welcome back to our channel, and in this video we will discuss is Kubernetes overkill for most projects? So let's get started. Uh, Kubernetes is recommended everywhere, uh, but there is one important question most people don't ask, like, is Kubernetes actually necessary for most projects? The answer is, for many projects Kubernetes can be overkill. If you are running a small application, a side project, or even a small production setup, tools like Docker Compose are often enough. Kubernetes adds complexity, and that complexity only makes sense when you actually need it. Kubernetes becomes useful when your system grows. For example, when you have multiple services need scaling, high availability, rolling deployments, or a team managing production workloads. That's where Kubernetes shines. The problem is that many beginners start learning Kubernetes before they ever face these problems. As a result, Kubernetes feels confusing and unnecessary. A better approach is to start simple, learn Docker, understand how applications run, and move to Kubernetes when complexity increases. Kubernetes is a powerful tool, but power should be used when it is needed, not by default. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and uh, ask me anything in the comment section. See ya till the next video.